When they reach Bethsaida, they bring one man wey no dey see come meet Jesus make e touch am. He hold the man for hand, come take am go outside the village. Jesus spit for the man eye, come touch am, then ask am,
You dey see anything?
The man look up come say,
Yes, I dey see people, but they be like tree wey dey waka about.
Jesus touch the man eye again. The man eye come open and he come dey see well well. He come tell the man make he dey go in house, but he warn am say,
Make you not go inside the village again.
Jesus and the disciples come go the village dem wey dey Caesarea Philippi. As dem dey go for road, he come ask him disciples.
Na who people dey say I be sef?
Dem come say,
Some say you be John the Baptist, others say you be Elijah.
And some still say you will be one for the prophets.
Jesus come ask dem.
But who una say I be?
Peter come answer.
You be the Messiah.
Then he warn dem make dem not tell anybody who he be. Then Jesus begin teach dem say,
Man pikin must suffer many things, because the elders, priests oga dem, and the law teachers go kill am, and after 3 days, he go wake up from death.
as he no hide these things from dem, Peter call am go corner come tell am.
Wetin you dey talk so no good oo.
But Jesus turn look him disciples come shout for Peter.
Satan, make you go my back, because you not put your mind for wetin God want. Na wetin human being want, na there your mind dey.
Then Jesus call the people with him disciples come tell them.
If anybody wan follow me, he must deny himself, carry him cross, then come follow me. Because anybody wey wan save him life go lose am, and anybody wey lose him life because of me and this gospel go save am. Wetin person go gain if he get the whole world and he lose him soul? Wetin person fit use take exchange him life? If anybody shame for me and wetin I dey teach for this world wey wicked and ashawo people dey, man pikin go shame for am too when he go come back for him papa and him holy angels glory.